Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the universe and all its secrets. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm thrilled to have you joining me today. We've got an exciting show lined up for you, filled with fascinating space news and stories that are out of this world. Let's dive right into our first story, which is a real nail-biter. You might have heard of the Taylor Swifties, but today we're talking about a different kind of Swift, the NASA spacecraft that's been orbiting the Earth for nearly 2 decades. The Swift Gamma-Ray Burst mission has been a groundbreaking project, providing invaluable insights into the universe's most powerful explosions. However, its time in space is limited, and it's currently at risk of re-entering the Earth's atmosphere. But fear not, space fans. A team of engineers from Catalyst has come up with a daring plan to rescue the Swift spacecraft. They designed a robotic mission called Link, which will launch into space and attempt to grab onto the Swift spacecraft using 3 metal arms with clamps. It's a complex and challenging operation, but if successful, it could extend the life of the Swift mission by several years. The Link spacecraft will be launched from an airplane over the ocean using a Pegasus rocket to reach orbit. Once in space, it will take days or weeks to close in on the Swift spacecraft, taking detailed pictures and adjusting its path until it's ready to make the grab. The entire operation will be autonomous, with the Link spacecraft using its onboard computer to navigate and make any necessary adjustments. If this mission is successful, it could pave the way for a new era in space exploration. Imagine being able to repair and maintain spacecraft in orbit, rather than having to launch new ones every time something goes wrong. It's a game changer, and we'll be keeping a close eye on the progress of the Link mission. The team behind the Swift mission is understandably excited about the prospect of extending their project's life. They've even adopted the nickname Swifties and have been swapping friendship bracelets and referencing Taylor Swift songs in their meetings. Who knew that space exploration could be so swift? We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. We're diving into the fascinating world of space exploration and the ongoing quest to discover life beyond Earth. Today, we're focusing on Mars, our neighboring planet that has captivated human imagination for centuries. The search for life on Mars has been a long and challenging journey, with numerous missions attempting to uncover signs of biological activity. One of the most significant challenges in detecting life on Mars is the presence of perchlorate molecules, which can destroy organic matter and make it difficult to detect biosignatures. However, scientists have learned from past missions, such as Viking, and are developing new instruments and techniques to overcome these obstacles. The European Space Agency's ExoMars mission, scheduled to launch in 2028, is one of the most ambitious endeavors to search for life on Mars. The Rosalind Franklin rover will be equipped with a drill that can reach 2 meters into the subsurface, increasing the chances of detecting molecules that have not been degraded by harsh radiation at the planet's surface. The ExoMars team has also developed a metric called the ExoMars Biosignature Score to help vet their findings and ensure that any detection of life is rigorous and convincing. This score takes into account multiple lines of evidence, including morphology, chemical biosignatures, and geologic context. As we continue to explore Mars and push the boundaries of our knowledge, it's exciting to think about the possibilities that lie ahead. Will we finally discover definitive evidence of life on the red planet? The search continues, and we'll be keeping a close eye on the developments. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we conclude our journey through the cosmos today, I'd like to take you on a fascinating adventure that's much closer to home, yet equally as breathtaking. Imagine being able to see the invisible world that surrounds us, a world that is teeming with life, but remains hidden from our naked eye. This is the realm of the microscopic, where creatures like nematodes, rotifers, and tardigrades thrive in environments ranging from the frozen valleys of Antarctica to the lush wetlands of North America. Ariel Waldman, the curator of the San Francisco Microscopical Society, has embarked on a remarkable project to chronicle these microscopic ecosystems before they disappear due to climate change. Her docuseries, Life Unearthed, available on PBS and YouTube, is a 6-episode journey into the unseen jungles that exist beneath our feet. With her macro probe lens, drones, and intricate camera mounts, Waldman captures the depth and beauty of these tiny landscapes, introducing us to animals that are not only alien-like in their appearance, but also resilient in the face of extreme conditions. What's truly inspiring about Waldman's work is her passion for democratizing access to the microscopic world. She believes that by seeing life in all its diversity, we become more confident advocates for its conservation. Inspired by the classic Eames short film Powers of 10, Waldman uses scale as a tool to understand our place in the universe, showcasing how humans are both small and large depending on perspective. Her use of technology, from microscopes to drones, highlights how much of life remains invisible without these tools. As we explore the possibility of finding life beyond Earth, Waldman's work reminds us that our best guess is that we would find something microscopic. The tardigrades, or water bears, she films under the microscope, with their puffy legs and ability to survive in extreme conditions, even the vacuum of space, give us a glimpse into the kinds of life forms we might encounter elsewhere in the universe. Waldman's unique blend of science, art, and community organizing is a powerful reminder of the importance of exploration and conservation. By encouraging people to pick up a microscope and explore the world beneath their feet, she hopes to inspire a new generation of scientists, artists, and advocates who will work together to protect our planet's incredible biodiversity. As we conclude today's Star Chat, I encourage you to take a moment to appreciate the invisible worlds that surround us. Whether it's through a telescope gazing at the stars or a microscope exploring the microscopic jungle, remember that there's always more to discover, more to explore, and more to protect. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.